Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how people are destroying earth in the name of mining and granite and bombing earth where it should not be bombed and putting high level substances, high level firing substances in the inside the earth and bombing earth and disturbing earth like anything, and how granite became the most valued product in the world, and how hundreds of meters of length and height and depth of granite solid which is just below the surface of it is in the process of these granite rocks are going from just below the surface of earth to the floors of the crores of people in the world. These granite rocks are found inside the earth, just below the surface of earth. There would be around 100 meters of length, 100 meters of width, and hundreds of meters of height. Rocks are there just below the surface of earth, and what these people do is using cranes and explosives, they bomb the granite rocks and made the granite and they made granite rocks into different granite solids of 2 man's height and 2 man's width and 2 man's height depth. That much size rocks are being cut from underground, and these rocks these rocks are being carried to different factories through big size lorries. Using cranes and lorries, these high level solid rocks were transported to these granite factories, and in these granite factories they put these granite rocks in factories, and in that factory they use diamond blade cutters. There are many diamond blade cutters are there. Diamond blade cutters means the blade of the saw is very strong, so much strong, and using these cutters they cut these solid rocks into different floors, different slabs, different they cut these solid rocks vertically using these diamond coated saws. From that saws they while pouring water from above, they cut these solid rocks into different slabs, and these different slabs, after cutting the solid rock, these slabs were polished using polishing machines, and after polishing and cutting ends and making and make that rocks to look nice, after that these rocks were carried to different shops and different big and small shops. After that these granite rocks were transported into homes which are being constructed. Like that, these granite rocks travel from under earth to homes. How to check this granite is they pour some liquid on the granite. The real granite shows white color or the color of the rock, but the fake granite shows deep black color, and the more water stays in the rock. In the real granite floor, less water stays on the floor and the color of the floor will be shown. They cut these rocks after removing from un, under the earth. After they were brought into the big granite factories. In those factories, they cut these rock in plates with saws by pouring continuous water, and after that, after cutting these rocks, after cutting the solid rocks into different slabs, they polish these rock surfaces with machines on one side and plant these granite blocks in home the surface by putting little. First they make the floor very clean and very equal on a very equal level. They level floor equal. After leveling floor to after leveling floor equal, they pour cement. They pour water cement on the floor. After that, they draw some lines to after drawing some lines, they pour these granite slabs and they put these granite slabs on the ground. Because of the drawing lines, the cement will attach to these granite slabs. Like that, the granite slabs will be installed in the house. How they install is, first they make floor level. After leveling, they pour some little water cement mixture, and after that they put big 2 meter length, 1 meter width, and 2 centimeter thick granite slabs, granite polished rocks on the floor. They generally use diamond blades. These are not diamonds but some kind of hard metal blades to cut these rocks. Like that, there are many great rocks, marbles, and granites are in earth in the name of construction and the granite flooring. They are putting high level bombs in earth and bombing earth like anything and digging large number of holes and high level kilometers of length and kilometers of depth, kilometers of height holes in the ground and destroying the earth like anything in these days. We should save earth like anything and stop these people to destroy the earth. I will tell further details about granites and how they are being used in the current homes and offices and industrial complexes in further videos. Jai Gurudev.